Hi everyone, it's me Jojo, and today's video is a brand alignment video. Now every single year I choose my favorite new brands that I actually choose to reach out to, and I think about all the things that I've been wanting in my kit or in my personal life as a new beauty product that's on the market, and I connect with the brand and I see what we can do together. And I'm so lucky that this year I had the opportunity to actually work with the CEW Awards, which I get to go to every year. They have the most incredible industry event every year in London at the Design Centre, and you get to meet all the up-and-coming brands, the people from the legacy brands, and essentially you see a demonstration of all the brand new products that are coming out. So you can get an assessment of trends, and because I'm an industry expert, I get to make a vote on the products. And I just found it really fascinating this year because there was so many different things that I hadn't seen kind of be focused on so much. I've seen so many incredible stuff in the last 3 years, especially around menopausal skin, thinking about supplemental healthcare, and also just noting all like the fragrance trends, as I'm particularly invested in fragrance, as you guys know. So I found out about this incredible range called Complete by Dr. SCS. Now, this is very interesting to me because collagen is something that it has been on the radar for so many people for the last 5 years or so, because we have been looking at different ways of building collagen. Now, I've been speaking about this on my YouTube channel for so many years, because when I did my skincare content, I would say all the different kinds of like techniques you can do to combat problem skin. Now, my personal issues was I suffered from acne, which I later found out was not necessarily acne, it was pseudofolliculitis. But basically, to treat the problems I had, I was using things that were ablation based. Now, that means that you use trauma in some way to rebuild the skin, because the skin is essentially built up of all different components, but collagen is almost like the scaffolding. And when you cut yourself, actually what stitches it back together and forms a scar is the collagen. So that kind of gives you an insight into why we use things like chemical peels, derma rollers, and all these kinds of lasers, because it damages the skin, and then the skin wants to rebuild itself using these collagen. And as we get older, that collagen actually goes down, the turnover slows down. So it was a great technique. But actually, as we've got more developed and we've learnt more about data points when it comes to skincare, we've actually seen that there are different ways to do things. Actually, using harsh approaches to the skin can do long-term damage. Now, one of the things about collagen that's been in question is that how collagen really works when you take it in a supplemental form. And I have to try everything myself. I've got to go through the process of trial and error and figuring things out and seeing if it works for me before I start recommending it for other people. And I have had one big hurdle in this experiment. I do not eat meat. Now, many of you will know this. I've got a website called Journal where I talk all about this kinds of stuff, but I have never in my life eaten meat or fish, and it's just something that I've not been able to do. Not through some moment of clarity where I thought eating meat was wrong. I was literally allergic to everything when I was a baby, so I had to systematically cut out things in my diet, which was a nightmare when I was younger, but it's just how I grew up. Like, I couldn't have dairy. It really inflamed my eczema and my allergies and all different things. So I just naturally did not grow up eating meat or fish. And now I'm older, it's not something that I would ever reintroduce in my life. It's something that I feel I've got to this age without eating it, I can do the rest without. So I couldn't try any of these collagen because they come from either marine or bovine sources. So when I actually discovered that finally we actually have this incredible new range that includes vegan collagen, I was like, oh my God, finally I can get in and see what the benefits are and like learn about this and see what we can assess over the course of maybe 2 months. Obviously it takes longer to build up in your system, but I'll explain it in a mo. And this is just the missing link. So let me talk about the dual collagen complex. It's a collagen nutraceutical in blueberry. So these are these sachets of liquid, and you can either mix them with a smoothie or mix them with water or just do them raw. I just take them back and have a lovely glass of lemon water after. It's a very delicious blueberry flavour, but you have got that collagen taste in it, and it's just naturally what's inside it. It's just an amazing, quick and easy one you can do every single morning. And it doesn't just consist of the collagen, it also has additional benefits, which I'll go into. But basically, I spoke to Sanal, who is the incredible founder of this brand, and she's a chemist and was speaking to me about the benefits of both type 1 and type 2 collagen as you build it up within your system. So we have seen the data, and it shows that when when you ingest collagen and it's in your system, that is an improvement, not just in the skin and the glow and the amazing aesthetic things you can see within your skin and your hair health, your nail health, but also in your joints. Now, type 1 and type 2 do these different things. And I was just fascinated to know that we could do this with the vegan alternative. So I am really beginning my journey with this. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing an assessment period, and then I'm going to come back to you and sharing with you the results, because I think that this is just going to be fantastic. Now, let me explain to you what's in here. So there is Gotu Kola extract. Not quite sure what that is, but it's part of the type 1 V Collal. So it's the vegan collagen type 1. Vitamin C ascorbic acid and ginseng root extract. And then in V Col type 2, elderberry extract powder, vitamin C and turmeric extract. So in addition to this, we have hyaluronic acid, which we can actually... I used to take hyaluronic supplements when Molecule was still around. It was probably 11 years ago that brand was launched. It was part of the Decium brands. And I actually spoke to Brandon, who no longer is with us, but that's another story for another video. But we've got Korean ginseng extract. And then there are vitamins, which are the vitamin B7, total vitamin C sodium ascorbate, vitamin C ascorbic acid from V-Col and 1 and 2, vitamin E. The minerals are copper, iodine and zinc. So you don't just get your collagen supplements, you get a whole range. It's like a sort of souped up multivitamin in one go. And I am just so excited to get in it on this wave. I want to try everything out for myself and give you guys an honest reaction. And I reached out to this brand to actually join this in, because I remember when I started to learn about vegan collagen a long while ago, because when I was working with Pacifico on their UK launch, they had vegan collagen in their application products like mascara and things, and that was actually from fermentation. And I was thinking, oh my god, if only they could just do that in a supplement that's going to be like one of these incredible modern all-in-ones, we are good to go. And here we go, complete by Dr. SCS has done it. Now, when we spoke on the phone, I actually was introduced to the rest of the line, and I did not realise they did all this amazing other stuff. So I'm going to tell you about these other products, and I'm going to give you some of my story, because I don't know if you guys have been watching me for a long time, but maybe you'll remember. But in addition to this complete fabulous collagen alternative, we've got the Clarify Complex. My God, that's an alliteration. So this is to support gut, skin health. Now, I have spoken to you guys many times about acne. You can go back to the videos. I talk about hormones, I talk about hygiene, and I talk about health. Those are the 3 H's that I think contribute to skin, and they're things that we can sort of manage as best we can. The other aspect of that really goes down to our microbiome in our stomach. Now, we are a machine made of colonies of different living things. And when you actually take things like antibiotics, or you have certain different lifestyle changes, there's so many different things in life that can actually just mess up your internal biome. But we need a range of different colonies in our guts to actually help with every function of our body, not just our physical health, also our mental health. They're actually considering the stomach to be the second brain in a sort of metaphorical way, because of all the amazing things it does, including producing the feel-good hormones and all that jazz. So it's not just about the aesthetics you can get the benefits from, it's actually about leveling all kinds of things. There's a very interesting study in Australia that I started to look at 11, 12 years ago again, where they do fecal transfer, which is another story from someone with a healthy biome into someone without the healthy biome. And it's been insane. The results are insane, which you guys can research. But if you're missing one colony, another colony can take over that requires the digestion of yeast or something, and that can make the yeast go imbalance, and then you can get things like yeast infections, and all these different kinds of like imbalances muck up what our skin needs to do to keep it clear and hydrated and fabulous and healthy. And oftentimes when we are seeing things like the treatments, very early on, the treatments for acne were things like antibiotics. They used to prescribe doxycycline, and now they do limacycline quite regularly, which is a lower kind of level antibiotic, but still messes up your microbiome. We have to look actually, instead of killing off those bacteria, reintroducing them into a balanced way so they don't do anything that funks up our system. So this is a additional supplement which has got so many different things in. It's, again, these are 28 There's 28 in that box and 30 capsules in this box. So you get like a month's supply in each. They're really accessible. They're affordable for the value. And what this has in has got a lot of different things. It's got vitamin C, inulin, zinc. Now, again, back in the day, I think I was probably the first YouTuber to talk about Zinnerate and zinc when it came to the treatment of my acne. Zinc has so many amazing benefits, especially for male body people as well. It's got all the different types of bacterial the biotic strains. So we've got all the lactobacillus, acidophilus, all those kind of things. I'm not going to read them out to you. I'll put them in the links below. But one thing that I noticed that most people don't talk about is actually the function of the liver when it comes to the skin. Now, the liver is our detox organ. It's the thing that gets rid of all the gunk in our body, and it is so essential that we are aware of that when we're treating the skin, because actually our skin, if we are full of toxins and all the different things you can actually take in modern life, or the pollution or the chemicals that don't work for us, our liver is the thing that processes that. And if you've got a low functioning liver, you will notice it in your skin. So included in this, which I think is genius, is milk thistle, which St Mary's thistle. It actually contributes to the production of bile and repairs the way the liver works. It's just amazing. So they've also got green tea, maca root, vitamin D3 and selenium, all things that are proven holistically to work on the skin. Now, in addition to this kit, you also get the clarifying serum, which is called the Advanced Clarifying Serum, scientifically proven to visibly clear and soothe blemish-prone skin. So you get azelaic acid at 10%. You get some more lactobacillus ferment lysate, which again helps your bacteria on your skin, which we need. 2% salicylic acid, 2% niacinamide, and 1% zinc. So again, I remember that years and years and years ago, 20 years ago, I was asking to try niacinamide when it came to acne for me. I just couldn't believe that it's taken 20 years with someone as genius as Dr. SCS to actually put this together and really create a kit that works. So what we're going to do is I'm starting this journey. I've not been taking this for longer than 2 weeks, so I'm not here to promise you any direct results. I'm beginning this journey with you. I'm going to be feeding back on my Instagram story and telling you how I get on with this stuff. I just am so proud that there is a brand that really has kind of confirmed to me what I researched all those years ago when it comes to skin health. And I think you guys, if you were looking for actually solutions to your skin problems, try them out. I think it's an amazing one to try. And if you're concerned about bovine or marine collagen sources, this one, why not give it a go? It sounds like it's got everything in it that works, and I've been feeling fantastic since taking it. Now, in addition to this, you can find all the links below to actually purchase them. I am going to be doing some more brand focuses. I'm so excited to have worked with this brand because I think it's so important that I reach out to things I want to include in my rituals, in my lifestyle. And it's amazing. I always joke with my friends that we're living in the future now, because it's like there's so many things that I just think, oh my God, I wanted this so long ago. It's like I have a laser in my house that can regrow collagen and regrow cartilage. It's like we are living in the future, and this is everything that I wanted in supplements all in one go. So thank you so much, Dr. Sonal, for sending me this. This is just such a privilege to work with you, and I'm really excited to see the results. Now, when it comes to the application process, I'll show you a clip now, and I'll just show you the kind of texture of the gel on my skin up close. I don't suffer from acne myself anymore. I suffer from pseudofolliculitis because I don't have Caucasian hair in my beard. So sometimes when the curls come through, which are the most resistant to laser, annoyingly, because I've had 10 years of laser hair removal and still going, it gets stuck under the surface of the skin, so it can look like it's actually folliculitis, which is an infected hair follicle, when it's actually a mechanical issue where it just gets stuck. So we live and we learn and we adapt, and I never would have imagined 10 years ago that most of my life I'd be living with a beard, because I was living like a girl before. But I don't mind it, I'm not mad at it. But I wanted to bring you this today because I thought, why not bring you something? And I've got some more brands that I've been really excited to connect with, and I just want to bring you guys things that really interest me. I'm sick of seeing consistent sales with no evidence. I want to actually do the work and kind of look into the results, because I think I've got great skin for my age, and I know what I'm doing now. And one of my dreams actually would be to design a skincare ritual for a spa or something. And I got to work with Claridge's when they launched their spa, and Face Gym designed the processes. And I just kept thinking, I love the idea of this, but this isn't combating the things that affect my skin. And it was actually only when I went to Mortar and Milk with the lovely Pamela, which is an incredible esthetician practice in London, that they really understood the nuances of like milia and pseudofolliculitis and inflammation in the skin. And they, most people don't know what to do when you have a skin like mine. And I think I'd be really good at putting together something that would include like a lymphatic drainage with some sort of incredible potions and light therapy. That might be on my goals. All right, guys, we'll check all the links out in the description below. It's been a pleasure to work on this video today. I really enjoyed actually getting back into the swing of things. I'm actually quite sore today. I've been working out this morning because I've been off. I actually haven't been working out for 2 weeks. Took 2 weeks off when I had a respiratory infection. So I was like, oh my God. And now I've got to wait to my foot operation. So everything's happening at the moment. So I'll keep you all tuned in. All right, guys. Love to you all.